If I talk about this segment, these collections are unique and elegant varieties for the wedding season. There is a sales executives to communicate to according to your language. If you couldn't travel to long travel, you can do online shopping. COD cash on delivery options are there. Net banking, online payments you can do. Every day Kesaria is giving you and updating new, unique, elegant varieties. Hi all, I'm Rani Subramanian here from KTC Manufactures. I welcome you all to Trending Varieties of Collections by Kesaria channel. I hope all are safe and doing great. So friends, today also I'm going to show you new exclusive varieties from KTC, which is only from the silk segment. If I talk about this segment, these collections are unique and elegant varieties for the wedding season. Retailers, if you are into a silk variety business, you can add this unique, elegant varieties of silk wedding collections from KTC Manufacturers at factory cost. So please watch this video till the end. Subscribe the channel. There's a bell icon over here. And keep watching. Share with your friends and relatives. There's a COD online delivery order. We do provide domestic plus international services. So 24/7 you can do online shopping from your place. So let's see the collection. If I talk about the KTC collections, these collections are very elegant at reasonable price. The manufacturers here are giving, and you can directly deal with manufacturers KTC and you can place bulk order. So first pattern, if I talk about, this is a fancy Kahani silk is a variety. This is a beautiful catalog which is designed of KTC. This is the code fancy Kahani silk. You can see the color chart of 6 colors. I'm going to show you the 6 colors you can see here. Here is the color chart of magenta, Rama color, yellow color, dark maroon color, green color and dark pink color. The 6 varieties I'm going to show you. Such a beautiful color code of the blue with a beautiful magenta color combination. This is one pattern, and KTC is giving you such elegant rich variety of the stonework border. In this color chart, tomato red color with dark green color combination with heavy beautiful pallu where you can see here, and the green color combination with the golden stone which has been placed. If I talk about next color, there's a Rama green color with the combination of magenta color, which is a beautiful, elegant, which is a grand look for the wedding collection of the fancy, beautiful pallu. I will show you. This is a high contrasted pallu. So this is one of the color. All the color chart will be the same. And next color, which is a heavy pink color with the combination of parrot green color combination. Heavy, same concept of small buttas you can see here. And this is the rich elegant. And in this kesar color, which is a kesar color with the dark magenta color combination, this is a one more color chart. And next color with the magenta color combination with the Rama color combination, beautiful color charts. The same color chart you can see here with exclusive. Every pattern you will find out with new varieties. If I talk about the next pattern, heavy body concept of copper jerry sarees. Nutcut Krishna silk is the fancy. This saree you can buy from online. Nutcut Krishna silk varieties. And this is heavy body part of big floral butta work on the leaf pattern, where you can find out 5 colors of the dark contrast colors. These 5 colors I'm going to show you. This is a dark maroon color, which is the same color with the heavy floral based, beautiful rapier silk. I can say the rapier silk with the heavy copper jerry butta work with the floral based, the butta weaving work has been done. In this royal blue color, which is a one more color, the same color combination with the color chart which you can find out here, and which is a one more color. The next color is yellow with copper jerry combination with the small stonework has been placed. And next color, if I talk about the dark magenta color, and next color is very pretty of trending bottle green color. So this is the beautiful pattern. This such exclusive varieties you can buy from Kesaria, which starts from only 500 rupees. Next collections, if I talk about wedding collections, such a beautiful box color varieties of sarees you can buy, and you can also display at the mannequin. Elegant of digital silk varieties of matte look finishing of 5 colors. In this also, you will find out the floral weaving work sarees with the stone work with the fancy tassels. Such beautiful, elegant, the same saree you will find out with the photocopy of the beautiful model photocopy which has been done. And this is the stone work as a beautiful, heavy, rich pallu with the fancy tassels. This is the fancy tassels on the beautiful red color. Silver stone has been placed and the fancy tassels you will find out, and the digital silk of yellow with red color combination. Every chart you will find out the color chart of 5 colors. If I talk about next color, beautiful with the lengthy box of guitar box packing with the beautiful casual printed of weaving work saree. 3 to 6 colors you can find out: navy blue, tomato red, green color, kesar color, black color, and the purple color. So these colors I'm going to show you the kesar color, which is Mohini Ganga cotton collections. So every pattern you will find out the code with the heavy cotton of the rapier cotton with golden border, with the golden classy look of the pallu, which is classy and exclusive varieties. Here with the blouse you will find out the saree with the fancy thread tassels has been given. So golden pallu on the small butta work has been done. This is a pattern of the classy, simple, sober also for the functions. So next color, if I talk about the elegant varieties, so dark contrast colors of this color, which is KTC is giving you Aarti Maya cotton silk. Aarti Maya cotton silk, you will find out 5 colors of the wine color, Rama color, purple color, bottle green color, and the Rani color. So this is, you can find out the beautiful color chart of the index page also is given. So in this, I'm going to show you the beautiful bottle green color. So matte look finishing of the matte golden finishing of the fancy tassels. Every sari you will find out the photocopy of the model shoot and the Kesaria tag, and again with the code. So this is the Aarti Maya cotton with blouse, 630 meters you will find out. So classy and rich pallu with the bottle green of the half white, with you will find out with the highlighted with the fancy thread tassels you can see here. This is one of the pattern. If I talk about the next pattern of the silver jerry with the silver border, this is one more pattern called Shri Divani Silk Collections. Shri Divani Silk, you will find out the Banarasi pattern of the borders, which has given and highlighted with the heavy rich pallu concept of totally 2, 3, 6 colors of the collections of only dark contrast colors. Magenta color, Rama color, maroon color, navy blue, dark wine color, and the bottle green color. In this, I'm going to show you the dark purple color, which is heavy copper jerry and silver jerry of the Banarasi pattern, which is being highlighted, fancy, and which is a notebook pattern of this saree has been folded and placed heavy with pallu borders and the beautiful pallu of the copper jerry on the Laria floral base, which is pattern. Next pattern, if I talk about the only settle colors, which is tabletop cotton silk varieties, tabletop with a geometrical pattern of the varieties, which is butta work has been done. This is a pattern, 3 and total 5 colors. So in this, I'm going to show you the peach color combination of the geometrical matte golden color. Finishing has been done. This saree also looks classy and rich top collections. You will find out with the fancy tassels of the baby pink, dark pink, with the half white combination of the geometrical pattern. This is a saree with 630 meters along with blouse. Such exclusive varieties you can buy from Kesaria Textile Manufacturers, which starts from only 500 rupees. If you are into a silk varieties of collections, you can find out the new elegant collection season to season. Kesaria Manufacturers is giving you multiple varieties. You can buy these varieties from through online directly visiting the shop. You can visit our shop, which is located at Surat City, Ring Road, Millennium Textile Building 1. Morning to evening, morning 9:30 to 8:30, your shop will be open. There is a sales executives to communicate to according to your language. If you couldn't travel to long travel, you can do online shopping. COD, cash on delivery options are there. Net banking, online payments you can do. And all over India, plus domestic, plus international services, we are providing no communication barrier over here. So smooth communication you can do. All sales executives will provide according to your language, and 7 to 10 days you will receive your stock. Every day Kesaria is giving you and updating new, unique, elegant varieties from normal wear to high reach elegant varieties. So please let me know in the comment box how was the silk wedding varieties, and let me know what kind of collections you are looking for. So I will put the videos and you can contact and you can place an order. So you will see the well profitable margin. You can invest and directly tie up with Kesaria, and you can start your clothing store saree shop. So I'll end up this video. Subscribe the channel. Please share with your friends and relatives. There's a bell icon. Please click it and share with your friends, relatives, everyone. Follow the channel regular for updates. So next video will contact. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.